Hi, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about meta tags, especially about two important tags, and those are keywords and description. Meta tags are something that web user cannot see directly on page because we are putting those things in a head section. Everything which is in head section is some kind of meta tag, and those things are important for crawlers, for spiders, for search engines. So, and as I said, we will not copy paste anymore. I did it just for you to get general understanding about things in last tutorials, but right now we definitely need to start typing. So first of all, let's define doc type for our page. HTML. We will use doc type for HTML5 because we are safe with that. We don't wanna whole doc type mess from the past. And then let's make a general border with the HTML tag around our content. It goes like this, and you close HTML with slash. So remember, when you are dealing with tags in HTML, of course, where else, you need to open thing and you need to close thing, and you're closing thing with slash. Am I recording? Yeah. And we know that there are two major parts, the head section and body section. Body section is important for viewer. Actual content goes there. So let's create head section and let's close it. And everything in between will be important for search engines. And body, and let's close it. We need to close it. And this is general structure. Okay, it maybe looks a little bit confusing, but it's not. You will get used to it over time. So in a head section we will start with title of the page. A must. Don't forget title of the page. You know, when you're playing around you can forget it, but when you're actually making website for clients and for you, don't forget title. It's important. See, title is on one line, but even if you make space like this, the thing will still work. This is characteristic of HTML. It's not important how your HTML is messy, it will still work, but it's up to you how to beautify your HTML, how it suits your brain. You know, some people do have to indent their source code, some people to make really long spaces and vertically, horizontally. We are not discussing about coding styles, we are just trying to explain the basic stuff. So let's say our page is about PC parts. This is just, you know, how to put this in English. This is just example, so nothing special. And definitely don't forget character set. So meta char set is UTF-8. As we said in the last tutorials, you are pretty much safe with UTF-8 because it covers almost 93% of all languages and symbols on internet today. Now let's describe our page. How to do that? With meta tag. You start with meta, then you say name is equal to the description, and then what? Then space, and then type content. You will often when you're dealing with meta tags, the type content. So you have meta and then content and then actual content. Content is equal in this case, let's say, detailed explanation about PC parts. Look, I'm just simplifying things here. Maybe this is not happiest sentence, but we are just dealing with example here. So of course that we can do better. Now let's define keywords, meta, name, keywords, And then what? Then content again is equal to, now your keywords need to be aligned with your web page overall content, because you don't want to be punished by search engines because you have just overloaded your page with keywords. In past times, the people are just abusing these things absolutely, and they are tricking search engines, but that was like 15 or 2 decades ago. Right now you cannot do that. The search engines are just too smart today. But still you need, please do define description, chart set, title and keywords. Do define them because they are important when you're sharing your content on, your page on social network, for example. Do stick with at least these four. You can separate keywords with comma. So let's say PC parts, network, adapters, modems, and printers. Look, it's really not important. What is important that you are getting the general idea what you need to put in description and keywords, and why is that important. So this is it. Let's make a simple paragraph inside the body text so our page is not completely empty. And we need to open P and close P, and in between there goes your sentence. And let's refresh our page, and there you go. See, title, everything is fine. The paragraph is here. Sorry, I didn't close it. You need to close it if you want to be fine. I mean, I always do that. What's happening with my keyboard? And you cannot see meta tags, but if you right click, you will get them. Right click, view page source, and there you go, they are here. So this is it. I think that this lesson was long enough and that you have a general idea why and what you need to put in a head section. We'll also talk a little bit later about this, but we are fine with this now. So see you in the next tutorials, and thank you for watching.